Cameraman here, folks. We got Stuntman over here. Let me give you a rundown. You don't even know what happened.
Surprise, surprise, I'm not happy.
Well, let me just explain something to you. I get a phone call from this guy. What this on my car? Okay, great. I go there. He says it's mint. Okay? Okay, he says it's mint. He says it's got 90-something thousand miles. He says this is mint. I'm getting angry all over again. I says to the guy, are you out of your mind? I said, are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? It's mint. Now the other thing.
It ain't mint.
It ain't mint.
It ain't that mint.
Wow.
In fact, I'm in one of those moods.
He's in one of them moods. And let me tell you something. So now, with a straight face.
I want to make it less mint.
With a straight. Oh, look how big that thing is, too.
And my hands
That's
are
what she
stinging,
said.
too.
My hands are killing you, you dope.
Son of a bitch.
He's so mad. And that guy, do it.
That's for
if you don't do this,
Toyota.
if you don't do this, I'm taking the channel. I was about to take the channel
I
down.
use a lot of might.
Yeah, you did.
Believe me, I
did.
use a lot of might.
Everything you got in
One
you.
more.
And listen to me, you know
Notice the safety glasses.
Yes.
They're called eyelids.
Squints. They're called squints.
They're called eyelids.
Listen to me. The guy has
not
the
listening.
balls. The guy has the
I'm not
balls
listening.
to start this thing up and look at me with a straight face. I swear, I'm telling you.
Step back!
If I hadn't just had my coffee, I would have killed this guy. Okay, but I had a half a cup in me. I was happy. Now listen to me. No.
Nobody wants to hear your story. All right, everyone wants to
He
see.
almost got me with the hook.
Everyone wants to see broken glass.
Nobody gives a shit about this broken glass. Now, what you're gonna do, okay?
No, in all honesty, my brother calls me, AKA idiot. You guys know him as cameraman. But anyway, he calls me, he goes, the guy starts the car with a straight
face, looks at me.
Listen to what this sounds like.
I could have killed this guy.
Listen, what we're doing for you guys today, we are doing an organic motor blow. That means no additives, fillers, or preservatives. It's an organic motor blow. It's gonna blow up on its own because it's already got a preconceived condition inside the internals.
And everyone, you better believe that I made him pay. I made him pay for the straight face looking at me. Because if I was a dope, I would have bought it thinking it was a good car.
What you guys are gonna learn soon enough.
Oh, very soon.
I'm pretty sure that my brother was able to cut the price in half.
Actually, I got it for a fraction of his ass.
You understand?
A fraction.
Full size price, half size for half price. Okay? I know it's a family channel. I didn't say nothing. Even Gino can watch it.
Start this
PG.
Up. Look what you did to this car.
PG. This is perfect for Gino.
I like it. I like it. Ped Jr. too. The balls on this guy to look at me with a straight face and tell me that this ain't a bad motor. You know what I did to him? I go like this. I go, oh, the motor's not bad. Oh, no. I said, oh, the motor's not bad. I could have killed this guy. I could have killed this guy.
Relax.
I'm angry all over.
And by the way, you said Pet Jr., that would be PJ, not PG.
Yeah, but
you idiot!
No, I don't mean the initials. I mean that he's young too and he can watch as well.
No, Pet Jr., Pet Jr., I hope you're wearing my shirt. Anyways, listen, I'm jacking this thing up right now because if she does blow,
we'll all be happy if she blows.
Yeah, if she blows, we're gonna be happy.
We're all gonna be happy if she blows.
And we're gonna lift it up.
Lift it up already.
I'm gonna blow a transmission.
I'm getting angry right now.
I'm gonna blow him up. This way, if she blows, let me get a flashlight.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can get some internals on the ground. The whole 9 yards.
Put the camera on.
Wow! Folks!
Everybody wants to see internals. Possibly, it's like if you're watching a war movie, Saving Private Ryan, A Bridge Too Far, A Few Good Men.
You want to see guts?
Apocalypse Now. You want to see guts? All the Rambos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You want to see guts?
Oh my God! Who wound this kid up today?
I gotta jack it up.
Yeah. You said you were gonna do that. You say you're gonna do something, you do it. It's as simple as that. Oh boy!
I want to do a shot.
Oh, why don't you put the flashlight so the flashlight's going under there so people can see
I
it?
want people to see that there's no preconceived guts underneath the car.
Oh yeah. We don't pre-gut the ground.
No pre-conceived
We don't
thought.
do that. Pre-gut in the ground.
Give me my call, you idiot.
All right. What you got, Stuntman? Whoa! 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 Wow! Wow! We gotta clean up on aisle 7, folks. Wow! Where do you get to see that? Where do you get to see it? Woo! Wow! Wow, Stuntman.
I think I cut my ass.
He might have cut his ass on the
Oh
glass.
my God.
We gotta
Holy shit!
We gotta clean up on aisle 6, folks.
Hold on.
How about 4? Because it's a 4-cylinder. Oh shit! You don't understand. Flame shot out of this thing.
Did you get it on camera?
Sparkage. Of course I'm cameraman. Did I get it on camera? How dare you? Put in the comments if he's an idiot for even saying that. I know. Listen, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell
trying
you.
to find a hole.
I know. Yeah, that's what she said. I'm gonna tell you why I know. Oh my God! You're not gonna believe this. Get the flashlight down there. Wow!
Holy shit!
Wow!
Get out of the motor! That rod! Let me tell you something. That rod pulled right out of the hole. What?
Listen to me. Oh my God!
Hold on. We gotta get this picked up.
No, don't touch it.
Wait
You're
a
gonna
second.
burn your
Wait a
fingers.
second. Wait a second.
Oh,
wait a second.
give me this.
I'm a married guy. I can't be touching this rod. Hold
Oh
on a
my!
second.
Don't touch it. You gotta get gloves. Let's leave it. Let's lower it down. Wait, what do we got underneath first? Oh, there's parts galore, folks. It's just, oh wow, wow, oh boy.
I got a bag of
This
dry.
is-
I got a bag of dries on my truck.
Drop it down.
This is sick. This is sick. This is biblical.
Folks, where do you ever...
This thing was.
Hold on, hold that light there. I gotta zoom in on this.
This thing was running.
Where do you get
The rod is laying
to
out.
see it?
The rod was ejected back out of the hole.
It's like one of them horrible accidents
and
where
let me
somebody
tell you,
flies
it's like
out.
a tight hole that big rod came out of.
Oh my goodness.
Unbelievable. And CJ, the young man who is a very big fan of the channel, me and CJ talk once or twice a week. He's a real nice kid. Today I spoke to you, CJ, earlier, if you remember, about 3 hours ago, and I said we're going to do a motorball, but I don't know what's going to happen. There's no guarantees, whatever. And CJ, big fan of the channel. He's
a good kid.
He's a
Let's
good
just
kid,
leave it
and
at
he
that.
needs me to describe.
Exactly.
I don't want to talk about his personal life, but he needs me to describe to him exactly what happened. Now, CJ, I'm going to say this as PG as possible.
He revitized the motor.
I revved the crap out of the motor, and what happened was the rod got ejected from the hole. Okay, so a piston rod is kind of like, it's about 6 inches long, right?
And it's laying.
Yeah, and it's laying.
I can't even believe it.
It's laying.
Look at the smoke coming out of the hole.
It's
volcanoing.
Oh my God! Oh! Wait a second! Wait a second! There's smoke coming out of the hole. There is smoke.
That hole took a beating.
Oh my God! It's almost like it's got a broken back. This motor. It's unbelievable.
Listen, get your gloves and get that thing out.
Wait a second.
And get your gloves and pull that thing out.
This is the double innuendos are fucking flying right now, guys. I'm sorry if anyone's young watching the channel. It's a little late, but 3 minutes ago. Get your kids in the bedroom or something.
Yeah. Listen, watch where you step.
Okay,
We
so
got
anyway,
a big
come
cleanup coming up.
Come here. I'm gonna touch the rod.
Hold on.
I'm gonna touch the rod at the bottom of the shaft right here. Hold on a second.
Hold on.
Oh my God.
Folks,
Guys, not
this
for
guy
nothing.
had the balls to tell me that that his motor wasn't bad.
Guys, this may have never been audioed except at like a racetrack with a 6,000
Let me
horsepower.
check the hole. Hold on.
You know, jet dragster or
Let
something.
me check the hole. Hold on. Get out of the way. Get out of my way. I'm gonna zoom.
Oh,
into
this thing
it.
just burnt my hand. But hold on, wait. This part. This is like the head of the rod right
Wait,
here.
there's more.
No, hold on. Hold on. Fuck, I'm getting greasy. This is sick. Erica, we need you here for this. Oh, Eric, I dropped it to your live. I hope I wasn't too disruptive the other night. I dropped it to Eric's live. That was
You're gonna
cracking
bother a
some
gentleman?
stupid jokes. I know he's
You're
a
gonna
gentleman.
bother a
I'm gonna-
gentleman with your
Not
nonsense?
for nothing. This looks like Cape Canaveral takeoff
Hold
or
on,
something,
let me look.
or Mount St. Helena. You got
Oh
got
my-
ass.
light it up.
You got
You're not-
ass
give me this.
spooling out of the hole.
Wow, folks. You want to see if it'll start again?
No
Just
way.
for shits and gigs? Make sure this is hooked up, and let's see.
Well, how about we make sure that the 6-inch rod doesn't have these two things touching?
Yes, yes,
Because
yes.
there'll
yes.
be an explosion, a battery explosion.
Wow, folks, I almost yelled my lungs
No,
right
jokes
out.
aside, come here, you gotta see this. I sat in that and I jumped in. When I jumped in, I think I'm gonna have some spotting on my ass.
You're gonna have some ass glass. If this starts, I won't be surprised because it's a Toyota. Scotty Kilman's shaking his head going, it'll never start! Oh, whoa! It just shot a flame.
What happened?
It just shot a flame. I don't know why.
Do we have a
That's fine.
do we have a fire
From the
extinguisher?
Great Pig, you don't have to worry about fire. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to call this a successful video. I mean,
I got a big cleanup and I got a
yeah, we
party
got a
to
major
go to.
cleanup.
I got
And my daughter was
Honestly, now
calling
I'm
me
mad again.
my daughter was calling me on the screen as I film. I got to make sure she's good because you know how that is, folks. Family first. And listen, everybody, it's the Neutral Drop family. We got a lot of good stuff coming for you guys. We're gonna get everybody rich, and we ain't playing out here. And I'm dead ass serious. We are going all out on this. And ladies and gentlemen, like, comment, subscribe. Would you like to say anything else, or just I'll do the we are out?
just do the we are out.
We
please.
are